What's going on, everybody? My name is Sebastian Alvarez. I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a master groomer at Groomed Gentlemen's Parlor here in Brigade. Here we're bringing you guys some grooming tips, some product knowledge, and of course some finishing tools for you to have on your daily basis. Bringing you guys another grooming tip, teaching you just how to wash your face. A lot of guys don't know how to wash their face. So typically you want to start with a gentle face wash, nickel to dime size amount. Start with some warm water just to open the pores, relieve some of that dead skin. Start with your face wash. You want to get a nice smooth lather together. Rub it in smoothly through the skin. Don't go too rough, right? Wash it out. Cool water. You want to calm the skin. You want to close the pores. And then after you've closed your pores, then you want to follow back with some moisturizer. Nickel to dime size amount of moisturizer just to pat into the skin. You don't want to rub into the skin.